RSM's research findings show that most middle market organisations understand the importance of digital technology, but are unsure how to actually make digital change happen. RSM's advice is to start with a couple of focused digital initiatives that directly support your business strategy and for which you can easily measure the return on investment. Learn from that experience before expanding to wider, more ambitious digital initiatives. For example, if improving customer retention is part of your business strategy, then consider investing in digital technologies that will smooth the customer experience. For example, digital purchasing platforms and digital feedback mechanisms. RSM recently helped an industrial parts manufacturer to modernise their customer experience. Using digital tools, we were able to embed new ways of placing orders by customers using mobile devices rather than going via call centres. The project was implemented using agile techniques and was completed within a matter of weeks rather than months or years. Customer feedback was excellent, and the organisation has been able to measure success directly through an increase in orders. The experience of that project has been used to extend the digital change that's taking place in the organisation to other parts of the business. So the key to making digital happen is clear. Start with focused initiatives that directly support your business strategy and where you can easily measure the return on investment. Build your confidence from there into wider digital change initiatives across your organisation.